Next one, PTRANS. Okay, PTRANS, I just initiated a trade, the breakout near the close of the day. So 68 cent. PTRANS, I think, is the bar station, Perak Transit. So it's a localized breakout from this trading range. So I rely on this small trading range and anticipate it probably can just go up, have a rally, test the 75. So this is just a short-term trade. So definitely not a long-term. It's a short-term swing trade. And if we look at this, so we're forming somewhat of a topping formation, but not much really sell off in terms of the volume. So it's probably a lot of the retail trader just exits the trade because it's just broke below the support. So once it's broke below the support, we see volume increasing, picking up, come back tested, then it just drift off. Then suddenly there is some interest coming in, and that's why we just want to pay attention to the recent price action and also the structure based on this breakout trade with a stop just below the breakout bar. So that's my plan for PTRANS. Okay, HEXTAR. HEXTAR is back. First cover it quite a few times. Probably I think I cover it maybe somewhere around here. Definitely here as well. So now I just think that there is a chance for HEXTAR to break out. So in terms of the overall structure, I think is generally healthy. What I don't really like is this uptrust. So this uptrust comes with a spike of the supply, but fortunately, I didn't really see quite a lot of the downward results. So in fact, it had another test with a decreasing of the supply, and eventually, I think that we could see a breakout above first level here, and then probably second level is this all-time high level or the swing high level here. So your stop would be naturally just below the swing low. So that is your stop right there. And if you take anything somewhere around here, okay, that's HEXTAR.